is Andi Bühler. This is the drum code triplet fill-ins, episode 3. Today we got right, left, left, foot, right, left. We're going to combine the figure right, left, left, which is implied for the black spot. Black, white, 2 black, 2 white. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Combinations can sound like this. We play it as a fill-in, so we need a groove. When we have the fill-in, every spot is 1 beat, so 2 groups of 4 means 2 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I really like to play a halftime groove, which means instead of playing the backbeat on 2 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, I play it on the 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It sounds a bit more grounded. I really like that. And you can go up tempo with it. Everything works. Okay, I'm gonna play you the first 5 numbers of the 16 combinations without any repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that was 2 times the 4, number 4, but all right. If you go to the 4 groups of 4 spots, you have to play. You play 4 bars of the fill-in, and you play 4 bars groove. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4. All right, so you can go through the whole book. And in the end, you can improvise with all that stuff. It's really nice for solos. It's really nice as fill-ins. And you have the combination right, left, left, foot, right, left. It doesn't have to be on the snare, everything on the snare. You always can go round the drum. Same goes for the foot right, left. You can even use, instead of the bass drum, the hi-hat. Instead of, you can. And also, I'm gonna show you some improvised combinations. It's always the same. It's either right, left, left, or it's foot, right, left. That's it. Have fun with it. See you soon.